Hello folks, for a long time I received a lot of comments, a lot of messages about please show your own work, your restored items, stuff and so on. Today I made decision to show you my little restored collection. Okay, just do it. Well folks, we will start from this point, this table. Also I want to say sorry for my English because I may say something wrong, incorrect, and I hope you will understand me. It's my earliest rivet tool. It's still working. I so like it. Bench grinder, pipe cutter press, just a pipe press to cut pipes. It's a marble rod cutter, as you remember. Big steel cutter, scissors. It's very amazing tool. It's very rare for me. Okay, go to the next point. Well, it's a helmet. It's looks very epic for me, and I like it. It's a electric power core drill made of issue 1958. It's an actuated powder tool gun. It's my first restoration, guys. Before I started to recording movies for YouTube, I repeated this all actions, I mean restoration, and then one moment I decided in any cases I should to upload it even if it was bad. I still use it, this hammer, and it's a weight of head 6 kilograms. Here we have the most bad restoration on my channel. Don't check this video. It's a ring. I found that not flea market at fishing. Oh, sorry. I just use it to find everything at flea market. Here we have a wrench. I still use it. It's very cool stuff. It's a pipe cutter. It's a rake. I use it. It's a scissors for steel. It's this very nice tool. As you remember, I going to outdoor to test it. It's my new restoration. It's a very major axe, very huge. It's a most hard restoration was. It's a big knife, but I don't know for what. Probably for bananas. Well, here we have axes, knives. My earliest poor restoration of knife, but it's still working. You know, I use it. It's still sharp. I swear. Okay, it's my first. It's probably previous. Maybe I uploaded this video about this knife maybe 2 weeks ago. I guess here we have a little progress, yeah, in my work. This knife for kitchen. I use it for kitchen most often. Yeah, I like this this little cleaver with a nice stamp with the word A. I don't know what does it mean, but it's very cool for chickens. Yeah, for chickens. This little cleaver for vegetables or meat or sausages. Yeah, for onion, for example. Here we have a huge draw knife. It's still working. Very cool. I don't use it. For example, this. I just left it on the wall and that's all. I use it most often. This is my working axe. As I remember, I left the handle and changed just the head. I get a lot of negative comments. I use these knives. It's very damaged, but it's still working. I use it in my workshop. My probably second knife restoration. I get also a lot of comment about these mistakes. Here we have I want to say massive old cleaver axe for bones probably, and this huge massive antique wax with some stamp. It's very cool. I so like it. Now we should to go next table. Ta-da! Yes, yes. It's a lot of cleavers and knife and axes. Yeah. Okay, let's start checking to cleavers. Here we have a lot of models of cleavers. As you can see, it's very interesting shapes, forms, you know. For example, I saw like this cleaver. It's very huge, it's very massive. Here we have a nice handle with the angles. No, you know, for me it's very cool. Also, I like this very strange cleaver, but it looks very cool too. Yeah. Please leave comments about my works. It's very important for me. Here we have a classic cleaver shape with a special stand for kitchen. Also, I like this little cleaver with a scabbard stand. It's very cool, but I don't use it. Here we have two hammers. It's a German knife. Oh, sorry, it's a German hammer. I use this hammer to break bricks or little piece of wall. It's very useful. Yeah. Access for kitchen. It's access for camping. Here we have parts of knives. For kitchen, it's very cool. Survival knife for hunters, for fishers. It's very cool knife, made in USSR. We have a long kitchen knife for butter, for bread, for anything. Strange shape of knife. About this I made a restoration tutorial. It's very cool. For camping or for something still sharp. It's not restored, but it's my handmade knives from South and from unknown mark of iron, you know. But it's very cool. I use it for apples, for maybe potatoes, for orange. Yeah. Here we have a level. It's very nice. I like it. File for leather and resin. Here we have a lot of axes. ZIG, that means Zavod имени Горького. Factory, a name of Gorky. It's strange axe with a strange form, with a strange handle. Carving axe, camping axe, you know, it's very cool. I so like it. It's a birded axe. It's very heavy. It's a hand drills, corn axe. Here we have chisels. As I remember, I made it on my handmade less machine. Here we have a strange axe. I thank you for comments, for attention. I received a lot of ideas or variants about where from this axe. It's a bone axe with a special scabbard. Axe made in USSR. It's a factory Trudvacha, Zavod Trudvacha. It's a wheel alignment stand. It's very old, but it looks very vintage and cool, and I left it. It's very interesting, I guess. Well, folks, I've shown you all items that I have at this moment. Also, I want to answer to question that I received a lot of time, where I hide or sell all items. First of all, I don't hide. I just leave it in my some rooms or my workshop. And sometimes I sell it because I need some equipment, I need some materials to continue my process, my work, and I need some money for it, and sometimes I sell it. Well folks, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and share this video. It's very important for me, your feedback. It's very important. Also, I want to say thank you for your attention. And if you have any idea about restoration, please leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see, and I will try to record that film and that restoration. Okay, I'm very hungry. I should go into my kitchen and okay, see you next time.